You've told yourself a million times to follow your rules. So why don't you? Why can't you just change it? And why can't you follow your rules? Let's jump into the charts and talk about this. Day trading is not meant to be easy, okay? A lot of the journey of day traders, and I'll talk about my own personal journey of why, it took a long time to actually follow my rules and be disciplined within my trading. And it wasn't necessarily that I didn't want to win. It wasn't necessarily that I wasn't following a strategy. It was when I wasn't following a strategy. And we look at my timeline here of my journey of becoming a profitable trader. They always get you with that first one. Put a 1 in the chat, into the comments if they got, that first winning trade that gets you kind of hooked on trading, right? And you know what? I did well my first trade, and I ended up giving it all back until I became a disciplined trader here and started compounding an account successfully. But that was by following rules, practicing good risk management, and all those things that, I knew I needed to do. But for me, I didn't experience the pain. Now, the reason why telling yourself to change is never going to work, and why you don't follow your rules is never going to work, because there's no emotional attachment when thinking about trading, right? Whenever you're winning, you get that sense of, okay, that was good. Okay, that was good. Okay, that was good. And then you're losing produces way more emotion. It's pain. You almost receive almost double the amount of emotional thrill or pain from losses. So, willpower alone never creates lasting change. For me, you have to have emotion attached to it. See, for me, I used to put on high leverage trades, show my P&L cards in a Discord, right? And brag about my 3-cent wins, right? When really I was, over time, I was win, loss. And my losses outweighed my wins by quite a lot. And it wasn't, until I felt enough pain that I was willing to change my behavior. We talked about this on the live stream today during the live stream, and you can come and trade live with us 8 a.m. till 10:15 every morning. Come and hang out. We talk a lot of smack. We take the trades live in front of you, showing you how traders are helping traders. You can come and hang out with us over there. But you want to connect your emotions to that being unsatisfied with not following your rules. You can see that you're profitable when you are following your rules, but you can see that how being undisciplined over time, doesn't allow you to change and become a profitable trader. All right. So you got to connect your trading goals to the real fear or real desire of how you want to become a profitable trader. Is it financial freedom for you and your family? Is it providing for yourself and maybe your future wife or that kind of goal? You have to have tangible, real emotional feelings towards that, right? One painful trade you'll never forget beats 100 motivational quotes. Okay. You can read, whatever mindset thing, you can read anything, but how are you going to take action into implementing a strategy and being disciplined? You need to be in enough pain and be willing to change in order to become profitable. Okay. It's going to be critical to your success, right? So you will remember your bad losses, right? My first loss, when we go back into it, I shorted the Terra Luna collapse, okay? I shorted Terra Luna collapse. I was in massive profits. I was up $10,000 on a $1,000 trading account. I had been showing my wife, right, my girlfriend at the time, and her mother, my $10,000 account, right? And then I cross-margin leverage traded on Solana, and I ended up getting liquidated for all of it. I walked upstairs, I looked at my wife in the eye, and I'm like, it's all gone. It's all gone. After the day prior, telling her that we were up 10K, right? And that was a lot of money to me. That was a lot of money, right? And I continued to chase that goal. But until I had blown that $1,000 account, that $1,000 account about 6 or 7 times, blowing those accounts and getting absolutely fed up with this and saying, trading is BS, market makers are hunting my stop losses, I can't do this because it's all rigged, blah, 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 right? But yet there's people out there who are succeeding, who are doing this on a daily basis, showing the profits, taking the trades, right? And I'm one of those people today, right? Because the pain motivated me enough to change. The pain motivated me enough to backtest my strategy, to practice good risk management, to risk 1% per trade, and to implement that over time. So add some emotion to your trading. Add some emotion to being unsatisfied to where you are at with your trading, right? And then implement that into your daily discipline, right? Your brain responds to feeling, not logic. Use that in your next trade. Use that in your next trading day. Journal how you felt that day and implement that to becoming a more profitable trader. Hopefully this helps you. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next mindset video.